How does your brain work? Let's start with a neuroscientific fact. Neuroscience has proven that we have 70 to 90,000 thoughts a day. Now, all of that happens. The 90% of the programs that are operating inside of your brain happen between the ages of 0 to 7. It's what we call a hypnagogic state. So out of the 70 to 90,000 thoughts per day, 90% of those thoughts are unconscious patterns that were installed by our parents, family, friends, school, and our culture, our music, our television shows that we watched. 90% of your thoughts, your emotions, your behaviors, your actions, your results, and your beliefs come from the ages of 0 to 7. In fact, it actually starts in the 3rd trimester when baby is in the womb. We start being programmed by everything in our environment. And in those really important ages of your life, there were some things that happened that maybe were unconscious. Maybe your parents weren't well versed in neuroscience and psychology. Maybe your parents weren't well versed in human behavior. Maybe that's the case. And maybe, therefore, their influences on you were 90% unconscious that was installed into them 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. And if that is the case, then I would suggest that probably the most important in your life, because this is going to be the opportunity for you to choose how to program your own brain, your own body, and your own nervous system. How to program your own beliefs that actually serve you, that actually trigger the thoughts that you want to have instead of the thoughts that you don't want to have, that actually start to trigger the emotions that you want to feel for yourself instead of feeling attacked by your emotions as if they're coming from somewhere else. But they are not. They are coming from within inside of you. So if that is you, and you truly want to take control over the programs of your brain and your body, and therefore how life reacts and responds to you, then please take note. Very important for you to be listening 100% right now. So your brain is producing 70 to 90,000 thoughts per day. And those thoughts are what's called neurochemical events. Those neurochemical events trigger what's called the hypothalamus to release proteins and peptides and chemistry into every single cell in your body. And therefore, those cells then start to produce the behavior, the actions, and then the results that you want in your life.